Hi there. Let's take a look at Stellar. I'll start with the weekly chart to show you the Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. This is education content only, not financial advice. From a Wyckoff perspective, Stellar is currently in the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. Typically, it is going to be a range-bound situation. The most important weekly support is the blue key level of 0.157. The major resistance level is 0.195. Weekly volume has come down from that spike back in late May and currently sitting at around average. The daily chart, it is still in a sideways trend. Okay, it is still in a sideways channel between the 1.72, the current support level that is testing, and the immediate resistance is 0.195. Previously, we have also talked about this resistance level of 18 cents. So this is a short-term resistance. This is the key resistance. Okay, so you can see the previous couple of days, the bulls has been trying to push the price back to above this 18 cents line. They weren't successful. So let's see for how long they're going to be able to hold this, because the reason I say this is this thing over here. If we draw a channel box right here, this narrow channel, okay, it is getting very close to the decision point, the 2C's decision point right here. August 2nd is the date that triangle points to. And it's actually a little bit earlier because this is just too wide. Okay, we have to adjust this a little. So this is actually like a day early. So just in a few days' time, if the bulls manage to stay above the purple P level, they push outside of the ceiling, this blue ceiling, and comes back to challenge the 18 cents. And then this yellow dash slope, that's the previous uptrend support. Now it's the resistance. Okay. If you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier, like the current channel members, join them now. See you in the next one. Thank you.